urgent attention of this House towards the illegal gate installed by MPA on the public road, which has become a matter of serious concern for the people. This gate has been illegally erected, obstructing the free movement of residents and commuters who have been using this road for years. What is even more shocking is that the clear directions had been issued for this gate to be removed, yet the authorities have shown complete disregard and the gate continues to remain at this place. Such a blatant defiance of orders, disregard for the rights of public cannot be tolerated. A public road cannot be arbitrarily blocked by any authority, and the people should not be made to suffer because of administrative arrogance. I strongly urge the government to immediately intervene and direct the MPA to remove this illegal gate without any further delay, and also seek an explanation for the delay in complying the order. Speaker sir, कलेक्टराची क्लियर कट ऑर्डर आसा की एक गेट काडची म्हणून ऑफिशियल गॅझेटान ती नोटिफाय जाल्ली आसा, तरी पूण अजून पर्यंत ती रस्त्यावयली गेट ते काडपाचे कोणूच जालेना. हांव मंत्र्या कडेन मागता की इमिडिएटली ताणें येवन इन्स्पेक्शन करून ती काडपाक इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स दिवची.